What is ClickFunnels? I'm going to explain to you exactly what ClickFunnels is in this video. In the first place, as you can see on the screen in front of you, this is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a software that allows you to quickly create beautiful sales funnel that convert your visitors into leads and then customers. You can do that without having to hire or rely on a tech team. You do not have to be technical. You do not have to know a line of programming. It gives you everything to market, deliver, and sell your product. The cool thing about this software is that pretty much any online business in any niche can use it. With that being said, allow me to give you an idea of how ClickFunnels works. I'm going to click on preview template, and this is going to be an example of a template that you can easily use and customize, where obviously you can take out the picture, edit up the headline. All this is going to be completely editable, which it make much easier for you to use it. I'm going to open this in a new tab. This right here is on default. Nothing is on. The Ibica is a template. Of course, you can very easily edit it with the drag and drop. ClickFunnels handle pretty much everything: landing pages, checkout form, upsells, email automation. So you do not need 10 different tools to make it work. In ClickFunnels, there are plenty of templates. What you can do, what I recommend doing is picking a template and then, of course, editing it to your liking. I created this landing page for my product of aloe vera. You can create your own landing page to sell any kind of product in ClickFunnels, as well as this beautiful sales funnel. So, if you are entrepreneur, business owner in general, whether it's online or offline, and you're looking to sell product without hiring a developer, ClickFunnels simplify the entire process. If you would like to test ClickFunnels out for yourself, they come with a 14-day free trials. I will leave a link down below in the description. If you click that, you can get very quick access to it. My name is Eddie, and feel free to check out the link down below to check them out for free. And I hope you enjoy ClickFunnels. Thanks for watching.